Welcome to Libertex. Could Bitcoin Gold, BTG, be a more stable answer for crypto traders and investors in 2021? With where we are near the end of May, Bitcoin's volatility has been on full display for the world to see. Since hitting 52-week highs on May 6, Bitcoin Gold has fallen over 50% following the sweeping crypto crash that has caused a sea of red for digital traders. The main catalyst for the drop in Bitcoin Gold, as well as the other cryptocurrencies, is tied to the latest decline for the world's leading crypto, Bitcoin. China has recently issued a stark warning against Bitcoin and digital currencies, and statements from Elon Musk have also caused worry amongst crypto enthusiasts. Since April 13th, Bitcoin itself has dropped nearly 40% in value from above $64,000 to below $40,000. Stay until the end of this video, as we'll be going over the latest details on what happened as it relates to Bitcoin Gold and whether or not Bitcoin Gold could be a good trade for 2021 at the current levels. Towards the end of the video, we'll be diving into the technical charts to get a better read on the nearest support and resistance levels for Bitcoin Gold. But before we get started, we'd highly appreciate your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel to fuel more content on Bitcoin Gold, the latest crypto breakouts, stocks, and the most prevalent information from inside the markets as they concern your trades. So without further ado, let's get started with the Bitcoin Gold update. Created back in 2017 by Jack Liao, the CEO of Lightning ASIC, a digital coin mining company based in Hong Kong, Bitcoin Gold was created from a hard fork in the Bitcoin blockchain shortly after Bitcoin Cash was launched. Since reaching all-time highs at $539 following its release, Bitcoin Gold has so far failed to reach these levels ever again and has traded sideways for years around just $10. Despite the lackluster movement for Bitcoin Gold, the asset has remained one of the top staples in the cryptocurrency market, with its central feature being its ability to offer average traders the capabilities to mine it. Bitcoin itself has been impossible to mine with a GPU alone for several years now, whereas that is basically all that's needed to mine Bitcoin Gold. With the meteoric rise of cryptocurrencies in 2021, Bitcoin Gold has seen a healthy and impressive amount of price action, climbing up in value over $130 in May before being dragged back down along with the overall market. Even with the concerning pullback, Bitcoin Gold is still up significantly over the past months and years. Some of the most bullish outlets peg Bitcoin Gold price predictions between $220 and $370 by the end of the year, while others remain skeptical given that it has definitely not the same thing as Bitcoin and has had a long history of trading flat. Let's jump into the technical chart for Bitcoin Gold to get a better view of the latest price action, as well as what we can possibly expect in the short to mid-term, given the nearest levels of support and resistance. Alright, we are now in the Libertex terminal looking at the technical price chart for Bitcoin Gold, and taking a look back at the history of the digital asset, you can really get a sense for some of the disappointment that many traders probably experienced shortly after the release back in 2017 and shortly after advancing past $500 for Bitcoin Gold. So following that period, Bitcoin Gold cascaded down and traded flat for years only until quite recently, leading up to where Bitcoin is currently trading near the end of May. So if we just go back, look at the 3-month, that's what I want to see here. Yeah, so the start of May was really an excellent period for Bitcoin Gold. And Bitcoin Gold rallied to over $150, but has been pulling back quite violently since. So with where Bitcoin Gold is trading at around $60 to $62 currently, the RSI is showing signs of being oversold. So if BTG can get a move back to the upside from these levels, traders should come with realistic expectations. For where BTG is currently trading, the next level of resistance that Bitcoin Gold could encounter can be found at around the $75 level, where it tested as support on April 25th to realize this nice move back towards higher levels. So should momentum continue to flow into Bitcoin Gold above the $75 range, the following area of resistance for Bitcoin Gold that it could encounter is the psychological $100 level that could usher in selling if the move comes too suddenly. So on the downside, it is possible that this sell-off is not over yet, and that Bitcoin Gold could get dropped down to its most significant area of support found at around $50, and then back towards $39 if this $50 level does not sustain itself. So while the latest moves point to a concerning sell-off, certainly, some traders are seeing this as a healthy sign for the bigger picture of Bitcoin Gold, as corrections following big run-ups are common across many healthy assets in order to regain enough steam for that next journey to the upside. Regardless, if you are considering entering Bitcoin Gold at around the current levels, make sure you know whether you are long or short, and if you are short, consider setting stop losses and take profit levels at around some of these levels. What are your thoughts on Bitcoin Gold, and do you see it hitting all-time highs in 2021? Let us know your thoughts and price predictions for BTG in the comments to join the conversation. And if you're interested in opening up trades and positions with Bitcoin Gold, as well as the other top cryptocurrencies, it couldn't get more simple. Libertex is the favored brokerage and platform for all types of traders, especially crypto, and opening an account is free and easy. Head over to Libertex.com or via the links in the description below to start your trading journey today. We hope you enjoyed this Bitcoin Gold price analysis video, and if you did, we'd highly appreciate your support to help us make more content on the asset by leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. We wish you luck in your trades and look forward to seeing you next time.